For years, the Wicomico State's Attorney's Office has needed expanded facilities. Devreco took on the project and construction began in May of 2013, which consisted of 18,000 square feet and a complete renovation with a $3.9 million budget. In February of 2014, the State's Attorney's Office took occupancy ahead of schedule. I recently had the opportunity to sit down with State's Attorney Matt Massarello to discuss the redevelopment.
All of our interests were proximity to the courthouse, because first and foremost that's important for the prosecutors. We have to be close enough where we can walk to the courthouse with our victims, with other law enforcement officers, with all of the things that we need to put a case on before a jury. Next to proximity, a space that could house everybody, because we have about around 50 employees total in that building. We have 35 in the State's Attorney's Office, and then we have a bunch more that are joining us in the CAC, which is the bottom floor of that building. And then, of course, cost.
Yeah.
So that that was a major factor, and the low bidder won the.
It's been long overdue for him to have an expansion.
This has been going on for about a decade, where the judiciary has been giving the State's Attorney notice that they have to relocate. That building was just an empty hulk sitting there on East Main Street, and we were now able to occupy it and turn it into something beautiful. It's a nice bookend for East Main Street. As you're coming down East Main, it now looks very good, and it now is occupied, and it has life.
You just hired, I think, a few new deputy state's attorneys this past year.
ASAs, investigator, and administrative assistants.
So first of all, that's employment for the county, and second of all, they're now in the central business district. I mean, if you really see, Wicomico County has done a really good job of investing actually in the central core. I mean, in downtown Salisbury.